Hi, welcome to our demo today on JobTrack. What is JobTrack? JobTrack is a system that connects to QuickBooks that allows you to calculate commissions on jobs. It's only for people who use jobs, whether a construction company or whatever company, jobs, projects, or whatever, within QuickBooks. So this is the main screen. This is the home screen that you'll see when you first execute JobTrack. And what you need to do is to process your commissions, you load your job data for whatever date range. We have it for a complete date range on our test data. And you can pull either commissionable jobs only or all active jobs. Commissionable jobs are jobs that are closed within this date period, meaning on the job itself you give it a close date or an end date, they call it, and a status of closed. So we've already pulled our data, so what we're going to go into is we're going to go into the reports. The report is a pretty close facsimile to the job profitability report, except it's got commission calculations on it. It also, our system also allows you to do just one rep, all the jobs for one rep, all the commissional jobs for one rep in this case, all the commissional jobs for one customer, or just one job itself. You also can click here and just see the totals. This is very useful to see if if something is way out of whack right from the beginning. So let's just show the report, and let's move it over, and let's, as we've already gone through some of this, let's go to, so you can see it. Sometimes this is all it goes. Okay, let's make sure you can see this good. Okay, so this is a job profitability report, and what we're going to do is going to do it because we've already checked one of them out. We're going to, let's see what this is for Doug. I think what we're going to do is going to go back and we're going to just pull it for house. Okay. So once the data is pulled, you can keep going back to this report. And let's see if we can get this squared up here. Yeah. Okay. That looks a lot better. Okay. Hopefully you can see that now. So that's the job profitability report. And it pulled up both jobs. Okay, one of the jobs was had a sales amount of $465. There was no cost, but the cost came in from this no item is you need to use an item. That's one of the things we wanted to point out. You can't use just accounts payable expense GL account. When you do a bill, you have to actually use an item. So here's one. This job has carpet labor, sales amount. Okay, we had the carpet. Okay, we had no cost. So we had a total cost of $252 and a commission 19. So this is basically 3% of this figure. So it's kind of a quick example. Let's see if we can. Okay, that's a quick example of what it looks like. And what I want to show you now is then what you can do is print them out. You can do it by job or whatever however you want it. And the next thing I want to do is where do we get that 3% commission rate? Well, you have a commission chart. It has a volume. So in this case, we said from this volume to this volume, and this is from 0 to 100% profit, we get 3%. If you were just doing gross profit, you would percentages, you'd put like 0 to a million, and then you start putting your profit percentages. Like from 0 to 5% profit, you want to get 3%. From 0 to 10%, from 5.1% to 10%, you want 5%, and so on. If you don't have anything specified in the percentage chart, it will the program will take the rate from the salesperson. Okay, so that's the salesperson file. We also have the ability to bypass any items like freight, For instance, any item you want to bypass, you put into this category. The other thing we have is the commission options. You can do gross profit, which is sales price minus cost, or you could do sales, or you could not use the range table. The other facilities we have is we have the ability to change database locations, compact the database, clear this clear the salespeople, or these are just basically utilities. So that's a basic view of how this system works. So I hope you enjoyed the demo, and if you're interested, please give us a call at 1-800-765-8030, or you can just email us at info. You can do it at info@comtrack.net. That's our sister product. So it's info@comtrack.net or 1-800-765-8030. Thank you very much. We're going to have a much more modern website up within the next 2 weeks. So thank you.